So today I am drawing a cute chipmunk with some colored pencils. I'm going to be using this tan sketchbook. I really like this paper. And as you can see, I like drawing all kinds of things. I go through phases when I'm really into portraits, and some other times I'm really into drawing animals. So today I'm going to draw a chipmunk based on a photo reference. So I like usually to find my photo references on Pinterest or free stock photo sites like FreePic. So today I decided to draw a chipmunk that I found on FreePic, and I thought that it was really cute. So I am starting with the sketch with the pencil. I feel like having a relaxing time with this. And I'm also very flexible. I don't really want to make this a very realistic sketch. I am aiming more into making something cute, close to the reference photo, but not identical. So instead of doing the tail the way it is on the picture, I think I'm going to just let it loose and let it hang. And it's got those big toes, big feet. I'm making them cuter and smaller. So now here at the tail, I'm just gonna let it loose, let it hang. And I think for the bottom, like for the base underneath my chipmunk, I'm gonna make a tree stump, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more texture. I don't want it to be flat. So I'm thinking a little more rugged and natural looking, kind of rough on the surface. So now that I'm done with the sketch, I like getting my kneadable eraser and just press on my sketch just to pick up most of the lead, because I want to just leave barely like a shadow of my sketch. I want to just barely see it. Because I want it to be covered with my colored pencils and not be able to see the initial sketch. Use Prismacolor Premier, and I get them from my local art supply store. It's Texas Art Supply, and they have open stock, so I can just go there and pick whichever colors I like. I prefer that from getting a set, like a box from any store or Amazon or whatever. I just like going and just picking the colors that I like and making my own set, making my own palette for my artwork. I go through the darkest areas of my chipmunk. I use gray, some darker tones of brown. give my chipmunk a little nut or seed. It can be taken as either one. Just something to munch on. Now I'm going to continue coloring and let you enjoy the process. For the tail, to give it that fluffiness, I'm using a darker brown on the very outside edge of the tail, leaving a blank area between the two colors. And then I'll go over that gap with the white color pencil. And that gives it that airy, fluffy, furry look. And as we put the final finishing touches here, I'm going around to the edges to give it a little fur sticking out. Just a little extra detail if you want to make it look furry. And our cute chipmunk is all finished. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what kinds of drawings would you like to see from me. Do you want more realistic animals? Do you want more cute and pudgy animals? Just let me know. Thank you for watching.